Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own character on Talkie Soulful AI. So stick around till the end and let's get started. So first, open the Talkie app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. So once you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom center, then select Create Character. You'll be asked to choose a gender, so pick the one you prefer and hit start. So here, you'll see two options. You can either upload a reference image or type in an image prompt to generate your character. So pick one, hit generate, and wait for a few seconds while your character is created. So once it's ready, you can even pick from multiple generated versions, and when you're happy with one, tap create image, then hit next. Now, it's time to customize. Add your character's intro and a few more details, and after that, pick between private or public account. So finally, accept the copyright agreement and tap confirm, and you're all set. And that's it. You've just created your own AI character on Talkie's Soulful AI. Thanks for watching.